guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I am Shelly, and if you've already been here, as always, thank you so much for supporting my channel and welcome back. So in today's video, as you can tell from the title, we're gonna do a very quick makeup look. You guys seem to really enjoy my no makeup look that I did over the summer. So I figured, why not drop a few more gems for you guys so you guys can have those in your back pocket for whenever you need to use them. You feel me? Before we go any further, go ahead and like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I know some of y'all be forgetting. And let's go ahead and get started. So I have already moisturize my skin. In order to achieve this look successfully, you want to make sure that you're taking care of your skin. The skin underneath is going to set the actual foundation for this look that we are aiming to achieve. And if you guys want to see any of my skincare videos, I'll go ahead and link my most recent one for you guys above. And I'm actually going to be dropping a new one very soon, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, so I went ahead and took care of my skincare. So moving on to concealer, I am going to be using the NARS Soft Matte Concealer. It comes in this little pot like this, and I'm in the shade Almond. I did use the Radiant Creamy Concealer in my last video, but today I'm using this one because it's a thicker consistency and I feel like I get a little more coverage for a lot less product, if you follow me. I'm just going to apply that under my eye, and in this area right here, I feel like that's where the darkness just, you know, it's just there. Like, can we get rid of it, please? Thanks. So yeah, I'm gonna apply that under my eyes and just on any of my problem areas. And if you fail to wax your mustache like some people, you can also apply it there for a little more coverage around the mouth area, because that mustache does give like a dark shadow or leave like a dark shadow. So just apply that around the mouth area, and then on whatever other problem areas you might have. I have like a little bit of discoloration still lingering around my mouth, so I'm just gonna put that there. Now I'm just gonna blend that out. Typically I would use a brush for this, but you can do a sponge. I just did my sponge because it's right here, and it's easily accessible. So now we're gonna move on to, and I don't know if I said this, but we're only gonna be using 5 products. That's right, 5. Only using 5 products in this video. I wanted this to actually be like beginner friendly. This is for the girls who like the minimum, like the bare minimum when it comes to makeup. The ones who are always like,
I don't need makeup. I don't wear makeup. My man doesn't like when I wear makeup. I wouldn't wear makeup. I'm not into makeup.
Well, you should be. So I'm not gonna use any powder because the point of this look is for it to be minimal. So I'm not gonna use any powder. I'm just gonna leave everything as is. The thing with that NARS concealer is it's matte. So when you have a matte concealer, you don't really need any powder. You just apply the matte concealer and you let it do its thing. So if you apply powder, you're building on that product and you don't need all that. Plus, I don't want to add powder as one of my extra products. So I'm going to leave that to the side. I don't need it. You can build on as much concealer as you want. Whatever your preference is, feel free to go crazy with it. I just don't really like concealer when I'm not wearing a full face of makeup. I only like to apply the bare minimum in the areas that I feel like I need it most. You feel me? So I'm gonna move on to bronzer. Now bronzer is one of my favorite products. If there was only one makeup product that I could have for the rest of my life, it would be bronzer. I just love it. I don't know, I love it. So I'm gonna be using the NARS bronzer. This one is in the shade Casino, and I'm just gonna take and apply that around the perimeter of my face. Give me somewhat of an island glow. This bronzer is the perfect bronzer for my skin tone and maybe a little bit darker and a little bit lighter, but this bronzer just gives that extra bit of sun-kissed glow, but it also has a little bit of frost in it, so that's why I really like it. It gives me a really nice glow. I'm gonna take it, you know, and attempt to blend my lace in because it's looking real something. And don't forget the chin, y'all. If y'all got a double chin, please just take your bronzer and just shave it off. And then I like to do the sides of my nose. Okay, rudeness. I like to do the sides of my nose. Oh, and as you can see, it makes a difference. I'll insert a little part right here of what it looked like without bronzer and what it looks like with bronzer. Subtle difference, but it matters. Okay, it matters. Okay, so for the third product that I'm gonna use is this ColourPop eyebrow pencil in the shade Cool Coca. I love this brow pencil. I've used it in previous videos. I'm just gonna take and slightly fill in my brows. And I just like to flick the pencil up a little bit just to give the hair-like strokes or the illusion of fuller brows, I guess. So once you fill them in, just take the other end of the pencil and take the spooling and just brush it through, brush the product through. And that'll pretty much show you like the sparse areas that you need to still fill in. So then you just take your beauty blender. If you feel like it's a little too harsh in the head of the brow, just take the beauty blender and like push it into like the head of the brow, and it kind of softens it a little bit. See, y'all, we moving right along. It's not taking us any time to get this done. I am going to use my NARS. This is like a NARS products around here. I don't know, it's crazy. So now what I'm gonna do for blush, I'm gonna use blush as my fourth product. I am using the NARS Orgasm Blush. I've used this multiple times on my channel, multiple times. It's one of my all-time favorite blushes, and here's why. If you have Orgasm Blush, then you know that it is very frosty and somewhat shimmery. So as you can see, it provides that nice, subtle, natural looking glow. And you don't even need a highlight. You feel me? So I just go a little more overboard with it when I'm not doing a full face, because as the products start to settle into my skin a little bit, my natural oils are going to blend in with the product and it's going to provide a more glowy look. So that's what I'm aiming for. So I'm just going to apply that on the apples of my cheek, but also bring it up to the higher points of my face. And I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna apply that on my nose as well. Maybe a little bit on my forehead region, a little bit on my chin. And you know what, why not? Let's see, put a little bit in my inner corner. Ooh, I've never done that before. That's cute. Do y'all see where this look is going? What? So now for the final product that I'm gonna use. If y'all know me, you know what? I want y'all to comment down below. This is gonna let me know who my A1 subscribers are, okay? Before I even do it, comment right now. Comment down below which products y'all think I'm gonna use next. What didn't I use already, and what am I gonna use next? What do you guys think would be my final product that I would use, that I would not go without? If I have 5 products only that I can use, what do you guys think I would use? Okay, I'm gonna give y'all a little moment to comment. Don't worry, I'll wait. Okay, I think I've had enough time. So if you know me, then you know lip gloss. Okay, if you have been watching me or any of my previous videos, then y'all know I start videos using lip gloss, finish videos using lip gloss, cut in between videos and I'm using lip gloss. I love lip gloss, okay? So that's what I'm gonna use. So I am using this, it's just a clear lip gloss that I got from the beauty supply store, so I'm gonna apply that. I already had some on too. I'm just reapplying it. Y'all, please do not judge me for my hair. I just got out of the shower and I didn't really do anything to my hair, so don't judge me. But that's it. This is it, y'all. This is it. This is all you gotta do. You don't have to add anything else if you don't want to. I have lash extensions on, so if you want to, you can, let me see, what would you skip? If you have like naturally good brows, you could skip the brow part and use lashes. Or if you are not a bronzer person, you can skip the bronzer and use lashes. I don't know. Okay, these are just the 5 products that I would use if I had no other choice but to use 5 products, or I had no other choice. I can only take 5 products with me for the rest of my life. This is what I'm choosing because this is the look that I can go for the rest of my life. It's cute. It's simple. It works. Let me put my jacket on. Hold on. So that concludes today's video. That's it. See, it was so quick, so simple. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like this video, show me some love in the comments down below, and subscribe to my channel for more videos from me, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye!